Compare result from hexdigest to a string. I've got a generated MD5 hash, which I would like to compare to another MD5 hash from a string. The statement below is false, even though they look the same when you print them and should be true. Google told me that I should encode the result from hexdigest, since it doesn't return a string. However, the code below doesn't seem to work either.
Python 2.7. Hexdigest does return a str. Python 3.1. .md5 doesn't take a Unicode, which foo is, so that needs to be encoded to a byte stream.
Using == for a hash comparison is likely a security vulnerability. This URL. It's possible for an attacker to look for timing differences and iterate through the key space efficiently and find a value that will pass the equality test.
Hexdigest returns a string. Your first statement returns true in Python 2x. In Python 3, that you would need to encode argument to MD5 function. In that case, equality is also true. Without encoding, it raises type error.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.